Hey guys, we're back. We're about to go into the assembly process for the door. And like I said in the end of the last little clip, I think the best method and probably how they did it back in the day was to pre-assemble all the panels. So they'll take their mid-style and their panel and pop them in. What I'm doing is just make sure the panel itself, this looks like how they got it sized. The panel is just shy of that little tenon. And it's going to be what allows everything to go together. I don't want to tap too hard and break anything. I just want to make sure everything is seated. And then this goes into. This is the second time I have knocked my mic off of my apron. So a funny thing, I just knocked my mic off the apron, and I'm just now also realizing that the mic itself wasn't even on. So you probably caught none of that audio. What I'm doing, I figured out in the previous portion of the video, but I'm pretty sure that what they did, because there was no glue on any of the mid styles, they actually pre-assembled the sections. And what I'm doing to make sure everything is seated in the right place, I'm just making sure that all my panels come just shy of the tenon on this coping stick. And that will make sure that everything still comes together when I go to actually do the full assembly. Yeah, it would be a bit much to apply glue to all of these mid styles. This side, and then try to pick up the whole assembly and drop it down, and then bring that down, and then connect everything together. So what I'm thinking is to hold this upright. Probably should take the hinges off, but you know, again, we're not getting into all of that. So what I'm going to do, drop in some bench dogs. Okay, yeah, we're good. So what I'm thinking is, let's get that bottom. Okay, yeah, it does. What I'm thinking is probably the best method to get this done. Just drop this bead of glue down in there, take my brush, get the brush wet, and then apply glue along the actual full coat. That way I know it fully seats and makes contact with the glue. And the timer starts. Hey guys, so after losing my mic for like the 4th time since having it, I'm going to play with a couple different configurations. Maybe having it clipped with the mic sitting on the inside of my apron, probably be safer. Well, I guess you still can knock it off, but because I got about halfway through that video before I realized that it was gone. So I mean, definitely gotta find a secure spot for it so that doesn't keep happening. You guys might have missed a really good joke. I said I'm like glue. I work better under pressure. It was great doing the glue up because, you know, I actually work under pressure and the time schedule. So we have the door all glued up. The next thing is to let the glue dry. But I can hand this door back off to my cousin and they should have a working door again. Yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this, definitely let me know down below. And also, if you guys have been enjoying the content, the more I maybe actually talk directly to you guys. I'm planning to get into again writing scripts, kind of organizing more projects, probably putting out a couple different funny videos. So that's definitely a few different things coming down in the pipeline. But if you guys want to be able to support me, definitely go over to my TikTok, my Instagram, my Facebook page. I have a personal Facebook page and also my business page. Mainly the business page. That one needs a lot of love. I have all my pages that has the least amount of following. So if you guys can get over there and like, subscribe, you know, leave some comments, follow some of my videos. But mainly the Instagram and TikTok. I'll say if you guys can press those two, because both of those are probably the next closest to monetization next to the YouTube channel, and they're all under New World Carpentry or New World Carpentry Solutions across all platforms. So if you type that in, you guys will find me. Go over there and leave me some follows, subscribe, all the different lingo. But if you guys have enjoyed, I'll see you guys next time.